If you're someone with a large Squarespace website, e.g., you've got tons of different pages, then you're probably going to encounter the problem where you're looking for a page and you just can't find it. You've got all your lovely drop down folders to organize everything, but you've got like 500 pages, and to manually scroll through is going to take forever. And you only want to make one small edit. So, how do you get there quick? Well, the simplest way is to use Squarespace's search feature. And this isn't the forward facing search feature like on your website, it's the back end one. So I'm going to show you quickly how to access pages really, really simply using this tool. I'm using my site here as an example, as I often do. So I've gone into pages and you can see the search icon here, which actually a lot of people will just tend to miss. But all we need to do is click it and it's going to bring up this search bar here. So let's say I'm looking for my privacy policy. I'm going to type privacy. It's going to show me the folder, open up the folder and show me where privacy policy is. I get in there, I can access it. Brilliant. Let's click X. Okay, it's going to bring me back out. It's going to keep that folder open so I can close it, but whatever. Now, let's say I want to find a not linked and not enabled page. So I want to look for my Liverpool SEO page. You can see it here. It's going to open up the folder again. It's going to find it. And even though it's disabled, so you can see in here, it's still going to bring it up. So I go in there, access it again. Perfect. Now, this isn't done, so don't judge me for having church website in there. But that is honestly that. Now, you can also search your entire site. So you click on this and it's going to look a little bit different, but same applies. So if I want to find my email campaigns, I'll just say email campaigns, boom, and I don't have to traverse the menus. I can just go and find what I need to find. So that's a really simple way to search your pages, either your actual pages or your back-end pages as well. So super, super useful. If you did find that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.